Hey people, welcome back to Supple. Today it is the Igbo language class. We're talking about greetings today. Ekene or ekele, it means the same. Greetings. No. Achọrọ m iji kịta kene unu kunu si mepụta efe bịa ka anyị sụkọ n'Igbo ọnụ. Afa mgbe ọbịọkwala abụ m onye nkụzi unu kịta taa na Supple. So today we are going to be talking about the 10 most effective Igbo language greetings. Well, according to Obiopala of Supple. These 10 greetings, these 10 words, after we've learned them, anywhere you see them, to an Igbo person or anywhere, to non-Igbo speaking people, you come out as knowing how to speak Igbo. The first 5 are just the usual, regular, everyday greetings, good morning, hello, and then the 6 to 10 are the, what do I call them now? The polite greetings, like thank you, please, well done. Anyway, let's get started. Number 1 is kedu. Kedu means, how are you? Ịpụta n'ụtụtụ isi mmadụ kedu. Kedu ị ga-ekwu kedu mgbe ọbụla n'ụtụtụ ma ọ n'abalị ma ọ n'efifie. Kedu. Mmadụ nwekwara ike ikwu keekwanụ ma ọ bụ keekime. So kedu can be kekwanu or kedu kime, kekime. These are all offshoots of hello. You see kekime. Kekime is more of it's quite informal. Kedu is a very, it's the more acceptable way of saying hello. But you can still say kekime. Number 2 is ndewo. Ndewo is welcome. To be honest, I can't remember ever saying ndewo to anybody. A lot of people say ndewo, but what comes to mind the moment I say ndewo is Things Fall Apart. If you were not born in the years of Things Fall Apart, I'm sure you may have read the book. I've watched the movie. I remember watching it as a child, and what I can remember is Okonkwo's wife saying, by the way, her name is Obiageli Akụ. Obiageli Akụ was saying ndewo nai ndewo, and then Okonkwo comes in and says, hey, Obiageli Nkem. I've just made that up. But anyway, ndewo is something I see it as something quite formal. I see it as a word, a greeting that is quite formal. A lot of people, Igbos greet with ndewo, but I think it's also dialectal, So when they kenekwane is as ndewo, mana ndewo aburo ekena enye mgbe ọbụla. Onwe ndị na-ekwukwana ndewo, onwe ndị na-ekwu nnọọ. So inwe ike ikwu ndewo ma ọ bụ ikwu nnọọ. And that brings us to number 3. Number 3 is no. No boko welcome. No also means welcome. Like I started my video with no. No means welcome. The no at the end is like, because I'm speaking to a lot of people. If I'm speaking to just one person, you come in and say no. But a group of people come to my house, I say no. So welcome. Welcome for a group. Number 4 is Ibolachi. Ibolachi is good morning. And literally, Ibolachi actually means has the day broken, or have you woken up? That's what Ibolachi means. Some people would say good morning as Ekele Ototo. Ekele Ototo is just morning greetings. Likewise, Ekele Hihe, afternoon greetings. Mana oburo ihane kukebe. Oburu ihane kukebe. Ekele Ototo. Ekele Hihe. Ihe mwa na anụ, ihe nke mwa na-ekwu ma nga n'obodo bụ Ibolachi. In my dialect, we say Ibo, and then the reply will be Abo gwomo no obo ka Ibo. Don't say that at home because you will bite your tongue, please. But let's just stick with Ibolachi. And the usual greetings is Abogom, yes, I've woken up. And our number 5 is Kachifo. Kachifo means good night, and the literal meaning for that is let the day break. Now, I don't know why the day should be broken, but that's what it is. Kachifo, let the day break. And when someone says to you Kachifo, you'd say Kobo. I didn't get to say the reply for Kedo. The reply for Kedo is Ademoma. I'm very well. Ademoma. I'm well. So if someone says to you Kedo, you say Ademoma. Adem, or normally for me, the moment someone says to me Kedo, I just say Odema, it's well. Okay? Now, we've said our first 5, which talks about the everyday greetings like good morning, good afternoon, The second set is the polite greetings, and number 6 is dalo. Dalo is thank you. Thank you. Number 7, emailer. Emailer is also thank you. However, emailer is a it's number 7, emailer. Oh no 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 no. Emailer is a literal translation of you have done well. And I see that as an extremely polite way, because someone does something good for you, or someone comes to do some work for you at home. You say dalo, emailer. So thank you, you have done well. Emailer. So it's a good greeting, emailer. Number 8 is biko. Everybody should know biko. Biko is so simple. Children, if you're watching, guys, come on, it's so easy, it's so simple to know. Biko, please. Biko no. You're being quite humble by saying biko no. Please help me, let's lift up this wood, this piece of wood. Because step. Please help me to climb the step, you know. That's biko. There are various ways you can use biko. And number 9 is ijoma. Ijoma is safe journey. Safe journey. You have a guest who visits. They're going back home. You say to them, ijoma, 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 ijoma. Number 10, Kodi. Kodi, I say that at the end. I'm going to say it at the end of this video. Kodi is till later. So till next time, it's a way of saying bye. Kodi. So guys, Kodi no means I'm speaking to you. That's why I have the no at the end. Kodi. So this is my 10 most effective greetings. There are tons more, but these are the ones that I would most likely, very likely use. Number 1 is kedo. Number 2 is ndewo. Number 3 is no. Number 4, ibolachi. Number 5 is kachifo. Number 6 is dalo. 7 emailer. 8 biko. Number 9 is ijoma, and number 10 is Kodi no. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. I promise to make my Igbo language classes as short as possible, just 5 minutes, so that it doesn't get too boring. If you need it to be longer, all you need to do is request. I plan on making just a teeny weeny bit longer videos. Manacho me is Igbo no na ihe niile nkwu kita ngedepụta ya ma ọ bụ na onwe ndị chọọ ide, you know, na-ekwu ị na-ege onwe ihe chọọ idepụta ngedepụta ya naanị unu wee fụkwa wee ghọta ihe niile na-ekwu. So to this end, I say to you guys, Kordino. Till next time. Okay, to be honest, not many people will say kedo. Number 1, Havana bros. Okay, I dey come on. We shall see later.